welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be cooking Scotch eggs. This recipe was requested by not only my wonderful husband, but also those wonderful librarians at Lewis County Public Library in downtown beautiful Hohenwald, Tennessee. So I am happy to oblige both my husband and my friends at the library.
For this recipe, you will need eggs, sausage, flour, Italian panko breadcrumbs, spray oil, and for a side sauce, mustard and horseradish. Start by boiling your eggs. Cool down your eggs in a bath of ice water. Carefully peel your eggs. Dry your eggs thoroughly.
1 pound of sausage will make 6 Scotch eggs. I'm only doing 3, so we'll cut it in half and use half a pound of sausage.
Divide your sausage into 3 equal portions.
Now we need to flatten our sausage into a very thin patty. I'm going to use tinfoil to flatten mine. You can use saran wrap, you can use a Ziploc bag, you can use wax paper, butcher paper, whatever works best for you. Now we're going to wrap our egg in the sausage. Here's a pro tip. Have a little bit of cold water on hand to dip your fingers in. That will keep the sausage from sticking to your fingers.
Carefully roll the sausage around the egg.
So I'm pressing in just lightly to seal the sausage all around the egg.
You don't want any part of the egg to show.
That looks lovely. Now we're ready to flour and batter our Scotch egg. I have flour, a beaten egg, and some Italian panko breadcrumbs. I'm using the two-hand method of breading. This helps keep your hands clean. You'll use one hand to roll in the flour, the opposite hand to roll in the egg wash, and the first hand to roll in the panko.
Press the panko breadcrumbs into the sausage to make sure the coating sticks.
Spray all sides of your Scotch egg with oil. Don't worry, you won't overspray it. You need oil on it so that the bread comes brown.
And the amount of oil used is negligible compared to the traditional amount used in a deep fryer. Place your Scotch eggs into the air fryer basket. The eggs shouldn't touch each other. Cook your eggs at 400 degrees for 14 minutes, flipping after 7 minutes.
We're halfway through the cooking process. Top of them are golden brown. Just gotta get the bottom sides brown. Remember, 7 more minutes. Well, here you have Scotch eggs. I've pulled them out of the air fryer and I set them on a bed of lettuce just to make them prettier for my darling husband. Now they're a little too hot to cut into yet, so let me show you a very simple sauce that you can make to go with them.
Combine 1 part mustard with 2 parts horseradish and mix for a zippy, delightful sauce.
We're getting ready to cut into the Scotch egg. But before we do, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. I'm posting lots of fun recipes, and Gary's always doing something wonderful on the farm.
The eggs have great browning on them, and the breading is crispy. Isn't that a lovely egg?
Okay, darling, I want you to be my taste tester. Tell me how I did.
All right, let me have one of them.
How is it?
Tastes really good. It's a nice recipe. Thank you so much.
Would you like me to cook it again?
Yes, I would.
You would?
I appreciate it.
I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching.